What's the meaning of arena? Arena. Arena.
Arena. Arena. The word arena can have a few different meanings. It can refer to a specific type of venue where events like sports games or concerts are held, typically featuring a large circular or oval-shaped seating area. It can also be used more broadly to describe any type of competitive environment or setting where people are vying for dominance or recognition. In either case, the term connotes a sense of excitement, energy, and intense competition, with participants looking to prove themselves and emerge victorious in the arena of their choosing.